If you have ever spent hours manually trimming long videos into short clips, this new workflow is going to be an absolute game changer for your content pipeline. Today, I am pulling back the curtain on how to turn one long recording into a steady stream of viral-ready shorts without living inside professional editing software. We are looking at Vizard, an AI-powered tool designed to handle the heavy lifting of video editing so you can focus entirely on your creative strategy. At its core, this platform acts as an intelligent assistant that scans your long-form podcasts or tutorials to identify the absolute best, bite-sized moments. It does not just make random cuts, but actually analyzes engagement hooks, energy spikes, and punchlines to generate clips that people will naturally want to watch. The three pillars that make this stand out for creators are the automated viral clip generation, the intelligent scheduling, and a content calendar that keeps your socials organized. Because the tool is entirely web-based, you can jump in and manage your assets directly from your browser without installing heavy software. Once you log in, you can connect your various social media accounts to ensure that scheduling and publishing your content becomes a seamless one-click process. The main project dashboard is surprisingly simple, allowing you to drag and drop raw files or import directly from cloud storage or YouTube links. After a quick analysis, the platform provides a feed of suggested clips that are already trimmed and cropped for portrait or landscape formats. Think of this as a digital assistant that highlights the hot takes, the quick tips, and those high-energy moments that usually get buried in hour-long footage. The part that really excites me is the ability to review these suggestions and tweak them without ever needing to pull up a complex multi-track editor. If you want to tighten up an intro or add captions, the auto-transcribe feature handles the heavy lifting, letting you correct text with just a few clicks. You can add custom text, insert calls to action, or swap thumbnail frames to make every single clip feel polished and intentional. It basically feels like using a mobile storytelling app, but with significantly smarter AI suggestions running under the hood. People often ask how this compares to other tools like CapCut or Descript, and the answer lies in the balance of automation and creative control. While other editors are great for manual creative decisions, this platform focuses specifically on turning long-form footage into a reliable content machine. Once your clips are polished, they live in your drafts folder, meaning nothing ever goes live until you give it the final green light. The auto-schedule feature is where the real time-saving magic happens, because it pushes content based on your optimal posting times. I personally use the content calendar tool to visualize my entire week, letting me drag and drop clips to rearrange my posting sequence instantly. This turns the platform into a full social operations hub, where you can even invite teammates to collaborate on specific projects. You also have total control over branding, allowing you to toggle watermarks or keep your clips clean depending on your specific requirements. Now, it is not magic perfection on day one, so you might need to adjust a cut here or there, but the review flow is so lightweight it takes seconds. The system actually learns your preferences over time, meaning the more you use it, the better the suggested cuts become for your specific style. For example, I recently uploaded an hour-long interview and managed to pull out 20 different highlights without breaking a sweat. Those clips generated consistent views over 2 weeks, effectively acting as an automated growth engine that would have taken days to build manually. If you are managing content for multiple creators, the project spaces keep everything organized by channel or campaign rather than leaving files in messy folders. We have to be realistic about limitations, because if you need highly stylized cinematic high-end production montages, you still need a dedicated human editor. This tool is meant for scaling volume and consistency, rather than replacing the need for high-quality raw source footage. If you are building a channel or managing a brand, The paid plans quickly pay for themselves by saving you hours of tedious editing every single week. My biggest piece of advice is to just start by uploading one real video today, letting the AI do its thing and seeing the results for yourself. This workflow frees you up to focus on the storytelling and the big ideas instead of getting bogged down in the timeline. It is not about replacing editors, but about making scaling possible without needing to hire an entire team just to keep your feed alive. If you want a deeper dive into my personal pipeline or want to see specific templates I use for repurposing content, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Go give this a try with a video you already have, and I will see you in the next one.